Your technology is light years ahead of other alliance partner that we have. Hands down. I can say that on camera with you guys here. My name is Dutri Young. I wear a couple hats at EY. I am what you call a global coordinating servicing partner for our relationship with Workato. That's both servicing Workato as well as our prospective mutual clients. What's important to know is that we have been in the Workato ecosystem for a better part of, I would say, 6 years. We have a formal alliance with a couple of your white label brands, and we have a full-fledged ecosystem of alliances and practitioner, I think north of 300 plus certified Workato technicians who have been serving a number of customers across sector, across the globe with geolocation. So we're very excited to continue that into a formality. A lot of these sectors like insurance are facing a aging problem. The underwriter, the folks who are selling insurance, right, who are consuming, are reaching their retirement age, right? But yet the people who are getting hired to do servicing in the insurance sector are in their 20s. There's a gap of understanding the needs, right, that we have to solve for. The evolution of challenges of customers is going to be always going to be front and center. The maturity of our clients, the maturity of your technology stacks and your capabilities, I think has been leaps and bounds. The question of, during these conversations in C-suite, where would the conversation gradually or permanently you kind of gravitate to Workato? And I would start with, usually our conversation is more holistic, as in, hey, I have a strategy, I have an aspiration. I want to get my company to from 1x to 2x, right? And then that essentially gravitate to, okay, in order to do that, here are the various things that needs to be done, whether it's from a regulatory standpoint, whether it's from a people and process that needs to be changed or modified or enhanced. And then lastly, the technologies. Probably the biggest takeaway that I've learned over the years in working directly with Workato is that the marriage of domain knowledge of our 400,000 practitioners with the technology and the capability that you guys are forever continue to grow or continue to make more efficient. That's the killer combination. All your capability and solutions are very agnostic in terms of what sector is served. That's your secret sauce. You're able to, to service back to the wall across any organization, any service offering that they do. You're able to service from front end all the way to the back end of bookkeeping, right? So your technology is a couple of light years ahead. We complement each other. We know what the journey is. We can lay it out in order to get there. Here's a technology enablement, Workato, with all of the moving parts, whether that's in recipe orchestrating, whether that's agentic AI, all of that bring to the table will get you to the finish line. It's not just about can I low code and no code the heck out of everything, but it's can I put in the right business logic? Can you put in the right people skill, the right hands-on keyboard, the right managed service support later, right? Agentic AI with our solution, Workato, be able to build orchestration to get all these carrier out in front and center before it's not a reactive scenario. That this is us being proactive, us building solution for them ahead of time, and that's a need of the hour. That's a revenue generation for us, and that's a customer satisfaction. It's a win-win for everybody.